Let's face it, auto dealers are spending a lot on advertising in general, and dealers like you are spending a lot on PPC ads. That's a good thing. What's not so good is that your ads are not being seen as much as the ads of the other dealers in the area. The fix is simple. When you know exactly what keywords the top advertisers are using, what times are working, what times are not, what days are best, and other key data that will help you get much more sales with the same ad spend, and use this information in your ads, you will be laughing all the way to the bank. Sadly, this data is proprietary and not available to anyone else, and we are offering it at no charge, provided you connect with us within 7 days of receiving the invitation by email to connect. Now I am going to let you into a secret. There is even better news. Using AI, we can now show your company on the entire first page without spending on PPC ads and without SEO. I bet you that's a new one, right? We were shocked and pleasantly surprised. So connect with us, because there is an expiration date on this awesome offer, which actually decreases your leads the longer you wait, as the competitor ends up selecting the best keywords. So you might want to act fast and talk to us. We'd love to tell you more. Don't say I didn't warn you. So first think about what you earn in a month. Then add 30% to it and see if you like it. If yes, then get in touch. Thanks.
30% to 120% increase in leads guaranteed.